the sound.
6.
What's that?
Yes.
I count up to these ones. They cannot count up to 50. And we shall be moving on to even 100. From 100 we'll start 99 again. 100, 99, 98. This is how we do it. So, and they can do it. Please, don't mind. Now, I don't explain to you exactly what happened, eh? Hello? Now wait for me. If you don't see me, you don't hear me. Wait for me. If you don't see me, you don't hear me. Wait for me. Wait for me. Wait for me. Alright. Come on, son. Hello? Alright, now we go Baba Black Sheep, okay? Now, this is the education on the sounds of animal, eh? Now, Baba Black Sheep, have you any wool? Yes, I, 3 bags full. One for the master, one for the dame, and one for the little boy who lives down the lane. Wow, clap for me.
Hello to you and welcome to this interview with Akuna Sisi from Sierra Network. Please introduce yourself.
Okay, hello Kuna. So Mina Mami Peters, I'm the Executive Director for Children and Adolescent with Early Employment.
Alright. You will tell me for make the person win and least person out there for understand what you need in job entails.
So my job entails more of sign language. Sign language is a language where people that were deaf and dumb can use for communicate. They can use with hands then because anyhow you make your hands it means something. So now that means that they can use for communicate. So my job they look more on the side, especially for picking them because they're not able to communicate. So the educational background poor because if you go to the university, you're not going to know students who are deaf within the university. Why? Because they need to grow them up from when they're small for know the sign language. So now I make like million focus more on for picking them with deaf so that they don't get the sign language. By the time they grow up, they can even get access to universities.
Alright. Today we celebrate the International Day of the African Child and I see picking them together. Okay, so you can tell me what kind of purpose we make them gather.
So the purpose of make together the picking day today. The most important focus will be the look at how they do this. Now for sure how inclusive the environment can be. Like if you look at the picking today, we get blind, we get the deaf, we get the polio, we get the albino, we get it to people, then we even get war wounded. This thing about and even get picking the someone to disable them. Why I bring them together and I for sure say even with the big one they can do the same. We not need for marginalize say because me not blind, in a polio not can me no. Blind can be deaf party to deaf. Deaf can be party to albino. And even the picking themselves for not to the disabled then why I bring them come for let them not look at the company when are disabled and say, no, I'm not going to party with this now, come I can do that. No. So we count it for sure and say, despite the category of disability, they can be inclusive. They can be party with whosoever they want to be party with. I want for sure that this and instead for the continuously to do one because if this kids get used to this, when they're big self, they're not going to marginalize the company.
Okay.
They will see them as the same motor man there.
Alright. Well, as somebody who don't go very close to them picking there, you could tell what are some of the challenge they will them picking there so they face with PC and cause of concern.
So the problem with the picking in the face, the number one problem there is even their young parents there, they marginalize them. I get a case where in a parent he left in picking because in picking deaf. They say you know one time. And they see a parent who my way born in picking when the picking deaf. They give a market for good sell. They say the picking not selling anywhere, it's the picking not useful and just keep the picking up. How you go send a deaf picking as you for go sell water? That's wickedness because how it will communicate. So if you're gonna see if somebody call and say come I want water, they take advantage of them, they report or waiting. And now even able can communicate where you gonna police. What you go tell police? Police don't get sign language interpreters. Maybe someone will pick it so now if somebody communicate with sign language. So it's difficult for them. It's really difficult for them. And even what they do, they see the challenges. Some of them it's difficult for open up because of how they don't grow them. They don't grow them for keep them inside us. They don't grow them inside women when they come out because the parent they take and say they're not picking them. So they shame with them, they keep them inside. Then for them they even mingle with the company, they shame. For them they even talk. For them they even sign some of them, they shame. And not only the deaf themselves, even the other category of disability picking today where they can. There's some of them like the neighbor open up because their parents say they marginalize them. Because if you a parent tell you picking say, that's why you category of disability, you are still a great kid. Show them love. Even when they come out there, they go do the same. But they marginalize us, so when they come out probably they shame.
All right. One main focus when you talk about these concerns, you mention the parents name a lot. So how don't they do for see that same parents and also get the awareness, for no see them picking them that great picking them, for push them to.
For example, I can make one example. Like yesterday, I meet because within a physiotherapy, it's like a cow picking them when maybe one food or two foods. I meet one yesterday and a day at the place right now. I talked to him, Mama say, tomorrow we'll forget party with picking. Bring you picking. I said, if you me picking up with party, I said, come on, you picking with party. You that time, so bring that tomorrow and see if you know we go party. So what in come and they see the mammy is my go ask them, say, what is okay saying that I said, no, they see me picking like we some of them don't get the opportunities. Some of them as a parent, maybe they don't get the opportunity for the exposure. Some of them want for like picking the exposed, but there's no opportunity for them. So we they blame the parents there, but we say as an environment, like we as a community people, we as a country, we need to give the people there the opportunity. We know the open doors for them. So now it make them say keep them beginning. Like if they see that when someone they pass, sabi that woman will get that deaf picking. No, that not a name, call a name. Not no describe her by waiting and get. That picking will get that woman picking. Come on, no, that's bad. So we as a community say they contribute to let the people there go down.
All right. When you talk about somebody forgets a brighter future, the first thing really come down in mind education. We're very, very important. And according to you, say some of them people they are not even sabi the sign language. So how you feel to the Ministry of Education for come inside for to fight this problem?
The Ministry of Education, both basic and higher technical, able they need we need this guy like 100%. Why? Let us start with the higher education. And these people make sign language as a course that people they go do. You go see say he go come out and can be a teacher. If they're gonna add on pieces now all the deaf schools in the country, we get 4 deaf schools and 3 deaf schools in the country. And to my greatest surprise, 90% of these teachers don't know sign language. So how you go teach the people sign language when you know something what's in sign language? So if then people they are going na their university, they will get courses they want to sign language. It will be a great one. Then the other thing what I want the education higher they put focus on. Why people they become collective they don't get job because they go do some courses the way they are not marketable. Okay. But come to think of it, if somebody go do banking and finance, there's a sign language where come and go get with bank because these people need to access bank. If somebody they go do nursing and learn sign language, these people need to get access to hospitals. So if the people that they go do their courses there, they bind out with sign language. When they come and trust me, they go get job. So me they talk to the education higher. Let the minister take note of this. The need for put sign language as a course. And some of us are ready to pay and go and learn that. I never sit in a class for sign language, but I've been sign. Why? Because they maybe get the passion. I go on internet, I study for myself. But if we get in a university, the opportunity for some of who want to do that as a course. And for basic, then let's not forget inclusive. I always say you need to talk about inclusive, but trust me, these people are being inclusive, like I could say 80%. But for the deaf, they are never inclusive. Because every ministry need forget sign language interpreters. Their schools like the entire is not a deaf school. But then picking them, if inclusiveness they keep able gonna hear in school. So one of my maybe they tell me say visiting a Benin, one school, 50% na deaf, 50% na hearing, but the students they all sabi sign. So we need to get something like that. The minister need for think about that. They need for come with sign language interpretation as a parity in this culture because these people need it. Look at television stations there. No one not gonna just say against. And then these people need to have it. That's what we call inclusive environment. But there are no inclusive environment for people with hearing impairments.
All right. When you take a look at the theme, the local theme for this year International Day of the African Child, get for do it. The law we did for picking them after 14 years. And the people working like go through all these things and we don't mention so with disabilities. One great concern when they can raise now when you get to do with lawmaking and also rights them with disabled them get way, they know they actually see them they work. So what's are the constraints we on only face, get for do with the rights of disabled people where they actually see this not good for them.
The greatest problem here is I don't think that disability was in Sunday school. Now people who are left for work with, now people who have a passion for it. The greatest problem are them themselves.
Okay.
They disable themselves. They are fighting among themselves. This one is saying, I better pass this one. Poly will say, I better pass blind. Blind will say, I better pass deaf.
Okay.
So there's this fighting within themselves.
Okay.
Then we as a country, we as the one who for bring them together, we said they marginalize them. So there comes the problem. There comes the differences. So for help these people, it's difficult somehow because we some of who they look at they can wait the need. Some people will be saying, "What's kind of small people they to talk?" And come to lawmaking. What is the governor parliament where I would say deaf people they know because the parliament not gonna sign and interpret. So these people have nothing to do with lawmaking. So they are not now we they see like some category of disability they try to push for some certain standard.
Okay.
But what about the hearing impaired? Most graduates say no salary will interpret, not even most, none will not gonna know university. So if you not go get certificate, you go get my go partner parliament. So say you go who I go talk to? Where you never go to university. The ones where they sit, even when how they expect deaf person to go sit to oral. What did they listen? So that people if you not sit oral, how they expect them to pass. It's not possible. So like they never be able to sit once. If you go now the street, they see them every day. If you go PZ, most of the people that they taught are deaf them. Not supposed to know how to go school, they want to go school, but the opportunity is not there. So they end up going to see they get card, they give you a leader, give it 1,000, 2,000. How long are these people going to continue to do this? So the problem too much for them, especially people with hearing impairment. And they put more focus on them because they are the 100% suffering.
Alright. So we don't talk more of the problems, the challenge we people they face, yeah. Let me talk about the success stories, yeah. With the work way you do so with the people, yeah. So you talk about the discrimination, you talk about the low self-esteem, how you don't do for make them people yeah to get for your life the potentials within it.
Yeah, I will start with Wusa. I come out from the east, from Kenya. The entire is not a deaf school, but this whole thing what they do today I started from Kinema.
Okay.
And if you go Kinema today, that's why they don't get deaf school, but we get deaf then we go school. We don't send school. Some of them we don't get people that we don't send a vocational. Because why? We don't want to let them sit on our house. Forget bank card or waiting for the pass. No one there for do that. And if you go on straight na Kinema, the entire is hardly you know the ABC any deafness since the day. Now for I can see that. So these people just did not us. So we send them a vocational. Some of them they do hairdressing, some of them they do tailoring, some of them they do catering, and we push. 2018 was I get two deaf them with it, and I was the one who went go to go interpret for them doing oral. So look at how every day I go on this one in school because I two different school every day. I go interpret for this, I command I go interpret for the other. So there is possibility to say I don't call all there's possibility that I will go help this one or the time I go I don't want to say, which is wrong. Which is I cannot do that. But if you look at them, it's wrong. It's not supposed to be so.
Okay.
So we know the only time for talk and with it. No, set example that other people don't see and try to help these people because these people really need help.
Okay.
They really need help. So we they do as a small organization. So we want the one to really the up there. If education give the university, let them give their skills.
Sorry. Okay, so finally, what's going to be a message to the people with disability about having unity among themselves and also the message we send to the Ministry of Education, in regards to all the concerns we raise.
One thing that I can always say, together we stand, together we fall. So if we If then we as because I can always say we, I can always take myself as part of it. We as people living with disability, the first self, how we want to let people them out there for silly. You know what is some people they can always say? What is they talk about disability? Hey, they want to get halala. They want to trouble son. Oh, they want to on training. Oh, that's not a good repetition for us. We need to show these people that we are responsible. Because some people, person will take position and give you what you know say you're not responsible. So let's be responsible. Let us stand together. Together, we'll be able to create an inclusive environment for the people living with disability in Sierra Leone.
For the benefit For the benefit of the people living with disability, especially the one that they hear, it would be nice if watching the talk so the message really sent to them about unity, you do one also in sign language.
So they can be to say, people with disability, they must stand together. Because if we divide, we go further. But if we come together, it will be a strong body. So no will stop. No will stop with the faith you said. It's bad. Today when they talk about the election, this one stand, the difficulty. Today if one person don't win, if you don't win, this other people they go for it out, which is bad. If this person don't win, we are going on to that and support them. Then the same will problem will come up. But if you continue for the 14, the people there will not be there for no blind means. They will look me and say, these people, they are very important. So, Lord, come together. With that, we will get a better solution. Thank you.
Thank you.